Hi, I'd like to officially welcome you to your first feast video. Today we're going to dive right in and talk about where we're going to buy some of these foods that we've never bought before. It can seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you, you're going to be an expert at it in no time. I live in Utah, and the grocery store I shop at is called Winco. They're all up and down the Wasatch Front. The reason I choose Winco is for their prices, and they have a great produce section, and they have an amazing bulk section where I can get, my dried beans and pastas and flax and nutritional yeast and a whole bunch of delicious spice blends because let's be honest, if your food doesn't taste delicious, you're not going to want to eat it. So I love the selection they have there. They also have a really good selection of vegan foods that fit into my plant-based eating style. So there are other stores, obviously, Harmon's, Smith's, Albertsons, Dan's, stores like that, that may not have as big of a selection, but I bet if you ask, they will. Sometimes it's a little more expensive that you could find at a place more like Aldi's or Winco, but you will be able to find it. If you kind of live somewhere that it's just not easy for you to get to a grocery store, you can always order things online. And the advantage of that is you can find exactly what you want and get it delivered right to your door. Obviously, this is a more expensive option, so try and find what other options you have in your area first. And then obviously they have stores like Whole Foods or a Sprouts Market that really caters to like natural foods. And you'll be able to find lots of yummy convenience foods there that are plant-based. I want to warn you not to jump into that world until you're well established in understanding what food is good for you, because just because something is plant-based doesn't necessarily mean that it's healthy. So it's really important to learn to cook with just what nature gave us: fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Start there, and then you can branch out for your treats and your convenience food once you have a good understanding of what your body needs. So when you first begin, don't get frustrated. Practice makes perfect. The more you ask and the more you open your eyes to the options available to you, I think you'll see that you really are surrounded by a lot of delicious plant-based options. So I'll see you tomorrow.